Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zen on PS4. First, connect your Zen device to your computer using the provided micro USB cable. Next, download and install the Zen Studio software from the official website. It's crucial to update the Zen firmware to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Finally, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to the Zen's A1 port. This initial setup ensures your device is ready for configuration and use, preparing you for enhanced gameplay. Once your Zen is set up, you can begin loading game packs. Browse the extensive library of game packs available within the Zen Studio software. Select your desired game pack for a specific game, like Call of Duty or Apex Legends, and simply drag it to one of the available Zen memory slots. You can then configure various game pack settings, such as anti-recoil or rapid-fire, to perfectly match your playstyle. Remember to save your changes to the Zen device. Now, let's connect your Zen to the PlayStation 4. First, connect the Zen device to your PS4 console using the short micro USB cable. Then, plug your authorized PlayStation 4 controller into the Zen's A3 port. It's important to ensure the Zen's OLED screen displays the correct game pack and profile you've loaded. Finally, launch your game and test your settings in-game to confirm everything is functioning as expected, providing you with a competitive edge. Beyond game packs, the Zen offers advanced features for customization. You can explore the GPC scripting language to create your own custom modifications and macros, tailoring your experience precisely. Utilize the device monitor in Zen Studio to fine-tune your scripts in real time, observing their impact. Experiment with different controller layouts and button remapping options for ultimate control. Don't forget to join the vibrant community forums for support and to share your innovative custom scripts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.